daily consumption choices impact the environment massively. Did you know that 70% of global greenhouse gas emissions come from consumption? Not only that, plastic waste and toxic chemicals from our product use continue to harm our ecosystem. We need to change, but how? Consumers want effective, sustainable, and affordable products. Businesses need to balance these demands while staying profitable, which is not so easy. Our research analyzes thousands of online reviews to find out what matters most to consumers when it comes to green products. Our findings will help businesses align their products with consumer expectations. For consumers, it means greener, healthier choices that contribute to a greener, healthier planet. Let's make sustainable consumption the norm and not the exception.